Have you ever been stuck in a digital maze, clicking through menus and FAQs, just trying to find a real person to talk to? It's a frustrating modern experience, especially when it comes to something as important as your money. If you're a Neon Bank user, you've probably wondered, how do I actually contact customer service when I have a problem? You're not alone. In today's digital-first banking world, the traditional phone number isn't always the first thing you see. This can be a huge point of anxiety, particularly when you have a pressing issue like a lost card or a suspicious transaction. The good news is that Neon has several ways to get in touch, and while they might not be the traditional bank branch on the corner, they are designed for efficiency and a streamlined user experience. It's about knowing where to look and which channel to use for your specific needs. So let's break down the different ways you can reach out to the Neon customer support team and get the help you need, whether it's a simple question or a more serious issue. The first and most direct route is often through the Neon app itself. This is your command center for everything related to your account, and it's also where you'll find the most immediate support options. Within the app, under the Profile section, you'll find a Contact or Support area. This is where you can access the FAQ section, which is a great place to start for common questions. They have an extensive knowledge base that can often resolve your issue without needing to speak to anyone. But if your question isn't answered there, you'll find the option to send an email. This is the primary method for non-urgent inquiries. The official support email address for Neon is service@neon-free.ch. When you send an email, be sure to use the email address associated with your Neon account. This helps them quickly verify your identity and pull up your account information, which makes the whole process much faster. In your email, be as detailed as possible. Include your account number, the date and time of the incident, and a clear description of the problem. This preemptive step can save you a lot of back-and-forth communication. Now, what about when the issue is urgent, like a lost or stolen card? Neon has a dedicated phone line for these types of emergencies. If you need to block your card immediately, you can call their card blocking hotline at +41 43 508 0319. This is a critical number to have on hand, so you might want to save it in your contacts. This line is specifically for blocking a card and is the fastest way to prevent unauthorized transactions. For general inquiries that require a phone call, Neon offers phone support for certain plans. If you have the Neon Plus or a higher tier plan, you have access to phone support during their business hours. These hours are typically Monday to Friday, from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. It's important to remember that phone support is not available on all plans, so check your plan details to see if this is an option for you. For those who prefer not to call or email, Neon also has a strong presence on social media and a community forum. While these aren't official support channels for urgent issues, they can be great places to get general advice and see if other users have faced similar issues. The Neon Discord server is an active community where you can find other users and even some members of the Neon team. It's a great place for general questions and to learn more about the platform's features, but again, not the place to discuss sensitive account information. In a nutshell, for most issues, your first stop should be the app, followed by an email to service@neon-free.ch. For emergencies like a lost card, call the dedicated hotline immediately. And if you have a premium plan and need to speak with someone directly, the phone support line is your best bet during business hours. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.